How to fix scale text in After Effects. Have you ever scaled text in After Effects? Because, let's be honest, it's easier than adjusting the font size, but then you end up with text set at 35 pixels and a scale of 1000%. That's where things can get messy. Maybe someone asks for the exact font size to double-check brand guidelines, or you need to reformat your text animation in a different comp. Managing those huge scale values can be a real pain. That's exactly why I created FontFix. Here's how it works. When you run FontFix, a simple window pops up with one button. Select your scale text layer, click the button, and voila! The script converts the scale back to a proper font size automatically. How cool is that? Best of all, FontFix is free and available on my Buy Me a Coffee page. Links are in the video description. And that's it. I hope this helps.